You're gonna get
All right.
something for free today.
Here comes Hunter, the Christmas Claus.
Mm.
What's happening, guys? Welcome to Pippin and Dippin Academy, our YouTube channel. We are so excited you're here. And for you first timers, if you haven't done it yet, hit subscribe. And also in the comments, write I subscribed so we can get back to you. And maybe, just maybe, especially this time of year, Hunter loves to give. And today we're going to give. You guys are going to love the tool that we have in place for you guys today that we're going to hand out to you. But before we do that, the reason we're asking you to do that, just understand, so that you'll be notified anytime we have future videos. You don't have to worry about, hey, did Hunter and Joe make another video? Nope. You will automatically get a notification to your email saying, hey, Hunter and Joe, Pippin and Dippin Academy, come watch our new video. So without further ado, we're going to talk to you about something today that is amazing. Amazing. It is absolutely off the charts, fantastic. I am so excited to share it with you. When Hunter said, let's give it away, I thought, ooh, I don't know, man. But you know what? It's Christmas time, right? And we're supposed to be give unconditionally. So Hunter found this tool and he wants to give it away. So why should little old me stop big old Hunter, the Pip Hunter? So without further ado, Hunter, go ahead and take it away. Tell them what you got for them today.
What's going on, guys? I just like Joe said, it's Christmas. It's been a rough year for some people. It's just been really this year's just been an awkward year. You know what I mean? Like, we're always taught mindset and things like that. Don't let a year, president, people, anything in your lifetime dictate your future, right? But at the end of the day, sometimes life gets in the way, and if you're not following a plan or discipline with something, you fall down traps, and that's traps are all around us every day, right? So, but there's room for staying grateful, and giving back, and doing the right things, right? So that's what we're going to do here. I want to give you a tool that has not only transformed my trading, has allowed me to make money in the market. Joe make money in the market. Our students make money in the market. It's a really easy, followable tool that you can follow that will help you start to get an edge in the market, see where trades are happening, get alerted when this thing is happening, right? So so Joe, I think Joe's going to show you and show you some trade ideas on this tool. It's just a simple as an arrow, guys. Green and red arrow, and as you can tell, he's got a screen pulled up, and as you can tell, it's pretty accurate. This thing is with other rules, other indicators, with a confluence together. This thing is very powerful, right? So take it away, Joe. I know you're going to hit it off.
So basically what this does is it helps you so you don't have to sit in front of the charts. And that's why we love it. That's why our students love it. Is granted, like what Hunter said, we're not just using this and going strictly off of, hey, it threw us a signal, we're entering. No, that's not what this is for. It can be. However, it does throw signals against, the trend, if you will, that you really want to take. So you want to make sure that you're using it with other confirmations. But you'll notice that we've got, some red and green arrows on here. And when they fire, it's really just it's a flare, like, hey guys, come and take a look, at your chart. We've got a potential setup, and that's what this is for. So it's going to take out a lot of the research time for you. And then all you have to do is add in some other confluences. Like, for example, add in your 513 cross. So if I do that real fast, just to make it nice and easy for you guys, we'll add in a 5 exponential. We'll make it yellow like mustard. All right. And if we add in another one, just pull in another moving average and put in the 13. So we got the 513 cross. We'll make this one the ketchup or red. For some of you that don't know mustard and ketchup, that's all right. That's a market maker concept. But that's how we remember what the different colors represent. And so now we got some more confirmations here. So now you can see, we've got a 513 cross up here. We have the pip magnet. Technically, it wouldn't be a great entry, but you could get in this trade and make a few pips. All right. Up here, it'd be a little bit different. You can catch a few pips, but you can see as we add more confirmations to it, it gets stronger and stronger. But more importantly, is the reason you wouldn't take some of these trades is because you know the trend right now is your friend. And so the trend is down, obviously, right now, right? If you just scroll back just a little bit, we can tell it exhausted, it peaked out, and so we're now in a downtrend. Granted, this is the 5-minute chart, but I just wanted to show you. So if you know we're in a downtrend, then we wouldn't be even, anytime we get a buy signal, we wouldn't even be thinking about it, all right? Unless we knew that it was at the bottom of the trend where it had its 3 impulses and it was ready for a trend continuation, reset, or reversal, all right? So we're just looking for these, so we can get in these things. And the big thing is we draw stop loss back to structure if you're doing it properly, all right? So depending on where you want to draw it back to, this was the last high right here, all right? So if you drew stop loss back to there, if you got in this trade and just did 1 for 1, obviously you'd have a little bit of drawdown, but you'd be safe and you'd be in. But again, looking for a better entry would be right over in here where it fired. All right. We know we have the 513 cross. This pip magnet was fantastic. And this was a beautiful trade. And there's lots of beautiful trades that this indicator throws for us. It is fantastic, guys. You're not going to take every trade, but if you add in, confluence, if you add in other confirmations like the MACD or the RSI, things that we've talked about, or you look for engulfing candle entries, and you know what trend you're in, whether you're in a downtrend or an uptrend, you will be amazed at the pips that you're able to book on a daily basis or a weekly basis, a monthly basis, whatever you want to say. Guys, this tool is really, really fantastic when it's used as confirmation with other tools, but it's a great alert system. And that's how we like to use it. And that's when we go and we'll look at our charts and say, oh yeah, it is a valid setup. Like over here, this red, it was right on the 513 cross. Perfect. It went down and that was a great trade. Even if we got into it right here and drew our stop loss back up here, it was still, probably 1.5 to 1. It threw over here. Again, if we drew our stop loss back to structure right here, we were covered for these little peaks, and then we would have caught that all the way down. All right, guys, it's not necessarily, like I said, it's not something that you necessarily take without anything else, but it is a great first indication of a possible entry. So you can go and take a look at it. So with that, Hunter, did I miss anything? Do you want to point out anything else? Should I throw anything else on here?
No, you guys just make sure that you're not taking these arrows just based off of, just the arrow throwing, right? Yeah. You put other confluences with it, like you said, MACD, or, go and watch our previous videos. You'll understand, you'll start to get the drift of what we're saying with the TDI and things like that, and use this with the TDI. I mean, and also using this thing with divergence, just like the trade that he just showed with the big massive drop right there. Look at the divergence on the RSI. I mean, it's beautiful, right? And then you get a pit magnet. You get a most of the pit magnet is it's catching momentum, right? In the direction it's going. So, and that's good to know. I mean, you want to know where volume's at, right? So in the market, you want to know where it's going to go in a great manner, right? So just like that trade he just marked up. You can mark up the divergence all across. You got a little, this is a 5-minute time frame. You got a little triple top there, and you got divergence all across the board, and then you got a pit magnet. So what do you have there? You've got an RSI telling you divergence. That's one confluence. You got a pit magnet. That's 2 confluences. You got a 513 cross. That's 3 confluences. Guys, those are rules. This thing is, even if at your own job, what do you got to do? You got to follow rules, right? This is a business. This is not just coming in the market and placing buy or sell. This is a business. Get disciplined with this market. That's the only way you're going to win. The only way you're going to win. Trust me. Trust me. I've battled a lot of things in this market. Joe has too. He can speak on that. We just want to show you what it takes to be profitable in this market. You have to follow rules. So put the confluences together. Go back and watch our previous videos. Figure out what works for you, what indicator catches your eye and is simple to your eye, and then put it together, right? Or you could just come in the Pippin and Dippin Academy and we'll literally hold your hand and show you the way, right? So, did I hit it good, man?
Yeah, you did. And I'm just throwing out all these other ones that they can use, different tools that they might want to use. The ones we recommend are the TDI and the MACD. And we have some other stuff that kind of what Hunter alluded to in our community that we use to make sure that and confirm the trends. So definitely, guys, if you see value in this and you really want to take your trading to the next level, then just what Hunter said. Look, we're here to help you. We've created a community special just for you, just for people just like you that are either new to trading or maybe you haven't had the success that you'd like to have in trading. We've really simplified it. We've put together a community based on over 5,000 hours of trading and training experience over the last 2 years that Hunter and I have collected. We've curated tools and resources like indicators and other stuff for like fundamentals to know what news is going to do. All the things that you would need, we've simplified it and put it in one community, and then we put a bunch of people in it so that they're just like you, so you guys can help each other out. You guys can answer each other's questions. And Hunter and I are in there all the time. So if you have questions and the community can't answer it, then we step in and we go ahead and answer it. But we do private training every Monday night. We do a weekly review or bar replay. And we even do some live trading sessions, and we're getting ready to launch our mastermind, guys. Our mastermind is going to be off. Gosh, it sounds so cheesy, off the hook. But I mean, it is going to be so incredibly ridiculously good. We are so excited about it because we have the foundation for you guys in our Pippin and Dippin Academy. And for those of you that are familiar with trading, you can just go watch the videos and start trading. For those of you that are new to it, same thing. But for those of you that want to ensure your success, we've got a 30-day mastermind group that we're launching. It is paid. We're finalizing everything as we speak right now. But the thing that's really cool about it is you're going to be assigned like a trading buddy. You're going to have 2 weekly private trainings with the people that you're in the mastermind with, on top of the additional trainings that we already do in Pippin and Dippin Academy. So you get tons of training, tons of interaction with Hunter and I. And at the end of the 30 days, you're going to have homework, and you're going to have, basically we're going to break down things that we knew we got stuck in and help you break through those things. And so at the end of the 30 days, you're ready to go. If you haven't gone live, you're ready to go live with confidence and put your money on the line. So with that, guys, really, really excited. Hunter, this was such a great idea. I apologize. I was so excited. I've rambled a lot. So what else we got, Hunter? Look at
That's
Hunter
pretty
wants to
much.
go back to bed. He's ready to go back to bed. He's like,
No,
it's too
no.
easy.
This is pretty much it. What we're trying to create here, guys. We're not. I don't want to cloud mind you. I don't want to do none of that. I don't want to be that YouTube channel where I have 100,000 different strategies, things like that. I just got some tools that I accumulated over the time. Joe has too, and 2 strategies that we follow. We're market maker traders, and then we have a scalping strategy that we've developed. But that's it. That's all we want you to do. And that's what the key is. The key to success in here is taking one strategy. All strategies work. There's some bad strategies out there. There's much better strategies than, but that's the thing, is like most strategies work. It's just the person behind it. You know what I'm saying? It's just like driving a car. One person's going to drive better than the other. You know what I mean? You just got to be taught the right way, and you got to be taught, discipline. You got to be taught, risk management and things like that. And we're going to teach you that. Right. So, we do care. That's what I want to make sure that this channel is about, is caring about you guys getting from point A to point B, quitting at job, no job. Right. So
That is absolutely awesome. I was going to pull up, Gosh, I
If
gotta
we didn't say it,
I gotta do this. I gotta do this, Hunter. I gotta do this one share. So check this out. Yesterday, one of our students using our scalping strategy that we've come up with and really simplified the game for you guys. And part of it is the tool that we just gave you. You know, he used that system and he took a $38 account. And this is what it was in the morning. By the time we had our training last night, he had like $197. So guys, it works. It's simplified. And trust me, no ding on this guy. He's a super good guy, but he likes to make up his own rules. And because he followed the rules, look at all these wins. And these are on like small lot sizes. They're not huge. The biggest he ran was $1 per pip, which is I mean, not that much in retrospect to like his account
I
size.
think you're
But
sharing the wrong screen, Joe.
huh?
I think you're sharing the wrong screen.
Oh, did I go away? Are we good?
Yeah, you're not sharing now.
Yeah. Was I not sharing the results?
No.
What was I sharing?
You're sharing GU.
Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. I thought I did it right. Am I sharing the results there?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's the results, guys. Just so you know, I apologize. Technical difficulties there. Too much coffee. Anyways, you can see in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. Granted, he's doing his own type of risk management here, but this account was $38. This was yesterday morning. He had it at 127. Last night, he had it, when we asked him again, he had it up to $197. He took a $38 account and in basically about 12 hours, took it up to $197. He's not trading anything crazy. He traded 0.02 on gold, caught, a big chunk right here. So, I mean, 100 pips, 20 cents a pip, $20. I mean, guys, he wasn't doing anything crazy off the charts. He just followed our simple system. So for those of you that are interested in that, definitely get on board. And hey, you already saw the disclaimer at the beginning. I'll say it again. Just because he did it doesn't mean that you're going to be able to, but we like to think that our system is duplicatable and very easy to follow as long as you follow the rules. So if that's something that interests you, hit us up and we'll go from there.
Cool deal. And we'll link our community in the description below, and we're going to link the tool in the description below. And smash that like button too. Like the video because we love the love, right? So we're going to be coming out with a lot more videos, and we're going to be dropping major value on you guys. So keep up with us, right?
That would be the thing, because you never know. We might just get really crazy and give a lot of stuff away between now and New Year's. So you will not want to miss out. We typically post every Wednesday, but you never know. We may post a very special one. And if you don't subscribe, you won't know. So right on, guys. Well, with that, cheers. We'll see you. We wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas. And we'll look forward to seeing you next week before we celebrate this glorious new 2021 that's going to be way better in 2020.
Yeah. Exactly.
Hunter guarantees it. All right, guys. Take care. We'll see you next time.
Peace.